All right, y'all, it's Junior here at Money Merch, and welcome back to the segment where we like to break down the best blanks in the game for you. Today, the blank company that we're diving into is US Standard Apparel, probably one of the best American-made blank companies you can get. Some brands that currently use this blank company is gonna be brands like Stussy, Union, Born and Raised, and the list goes on. So if you're looking for a heavyweight, high quality, made in the US blank, this is gonna be the company for you. All right, guys, the first blank that we're gonna have on the list today is gonna be this one right here. It is the AUS 4224 Vintage Fleece Crew Neck. This one is definitely one of the heavier crew necks out there. The oversized look of this crew neck is gonna give it a good modern look, perfect for your streetwear brands. Every crew neck does come garment dye, which means each piece is gonna be unique to itself. And some details about the crew neck is it does weigh in at 14.5 ounces. It comes with the tearaway label, so it's gonna be easy for you to get your neck tags on there. Like I said, every piece does come garment dyed. You can make it any unique color that you would like. Now, moving on to the next blank. If you do want some heavier weight, good for a little rainy day, we got the AUS 3223 Vintage Fleece Hoodie. If you're looking for a heavier, premium look for your streetwear brand, this is gonna be the perfect hoodie for you. It's gonna have the same 14.5 ounce fleece, so it's gonna be thick and nicely structured. This is gonna be the hoodie you see all the high-end streetwear brands using. Personally, when I print on these hoodies, the print always comes out consistent, vibrant, never have any problems with them. They always come out super well. This hoodie is also garment washed, and it also comes with tearaway labels. We got something for the ladies out there. We got the 1707 Baby Rib Crop Women's Tank. This is gonna be a must-have for all you women ran brands or anybody gearing up for the summer. It's lightweight, ring spun cotton, and got a soft, stretchy feel. At 5.5 ounces with summer right around the corner, this is an essential pick for your clothing brand. The final shirt on our list is gonna be the AUS 1661 RS Plastic Tee. If you're looking for a go-to t-shirt for your brand, this is it. This blank has the perfect balance of softness and durability. Made from 100% cotton, weighing at 5 ounces, this is gonna be the go-to pick for your clothing brand. It's lightweight, holds its shape, so it's gonna be perfect if you're looking to try a new t-shirt. One thing I want to remind you guys about is US Standard Apparel is milled, knitted, sewn, all right here in Los Angeles, California. So if you're a brand located here in California and you want something locally made, USSA got your back. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up our list we got today. Go ahead and comment down in the section below. Let us know which blank you would like to try out. And also let us know what other blank companies you would want us to do a review on. See you on the next one.